Welcome back to the Healthier Munch, your go-to channel for embracing a wholesome lifestyle through healthy foods, enlightening food facts, cooking inspiration, and overall wellness. In this eye-opening video, we dive deep into the major types of migraines, counting down from the least common to the most common, while uncovering their underlying causes. Kicking off our countdown, we have hemiplegic migraines. These rare and debilitating migraines are characterized by temporary paralysis or weakness on one side of the body. Genetic mutations affecting ion channels and neurotransmitters signaling in the brain are believed to be the underlying cause. Moving up the countdown, we encounter chronic migraines. These persistent headaches occur on most days of the month, lasting for at least 3 months. The cause of chronic migraines can be multifactorial, involving genetic predisposition, environmental triggers, hormonal imbalances, stress, and lifestyle choices. Next on our countdown is migraine without aura, which is characterized by intense headaches without sensory disturbances. The causes of this type of migraine can vary, including genetic factors, imbalances in the brain chemicals, hormonal fluctuations, environmental triggers, and certain lifestyle choices. Finally, we unveil migraines with aura. These migraines are accompanied by sensory disturbances and visual phenomena that occur before and during the headache phase. Temporary changes in brain activity affecting the blood flow and triggering neurological symptoms are believed to be the cause. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through the major types of migraines. To discover effective natural remedies, make sure to click on our video titled 5 Powerful Foods That Helps Relieve Migraines. Don't forget to subscribe to the Healthier Munch for more informative content on a wholesome lifestyle through healthy foods, enlightening food facts, cooking inspirations, and overall wellness. Empower yourself with knowledge and embrace a healthier lifestyle. Stay informed, stay proactive, and take charge of your well-being. Until next time.